everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is the real story, hear me out. So for the past 2 months I have been working into a real estate project where I built the full backend API for the user authentication, like sign up, sign out, login, log out, password reset, OTP verification, all of it. So then while I was learning and building those API, I realized that why not to share this entire journey with you guys so that we can learn together. So finally I'm starting this brand new playlist where we will learn that how to build an API from scratch using Django REST Framework. And don't worry, I'll keep it minimal, super simple and realistic. We will face error together, debug them and solve them as I did in my real project. Okay, let's be real that I know how scary the backend development sounds like, especially if you're a beginner. Trust me, I have been in this place before, and in this series we will take a baby step, like we will first learn that how to build a simple API and then we will move forward to the proper authentication system. So by the end of this playlist, you will not only understand that what APIs are, but you will also able to create your own professional API that can power the real world app like Instagram, Airbnb or even your own SaaS project. So before we dive in, let's get straight that what is an API? API, Application Programming Interface. Sounds fancy, right? But here's the quick explanation. See, you are the user and you went to the restaurant and there is a waiter. Waiter is an API and then you ordered the food that what you want. Waiter goes to the kitchen and tell the kitchen and the cooks that you want this food. Kitchen is the server here. So then waiter brings back the food to you. You don't need to know that how the kitchen works. You just get the food. So in tech terms, the front end is you, the customer, and the back end is the kitchen where all the heavy lifting happens, and the API is that waiter which is connecting both sides together. So whenever you log into Instagram or any social app, order food on Zomato or check weather on phone, you are basically using API. So here's the plan. In the next video, I'll tell you how to set up your Django REST framework and then we'll build our first simple API. And after that, step by step, we'll move forward for the authentication, token, real estate projects, and we'll also learn Postman to deploy your API. It is going to be super beginner friendly, practical and fun. So if you ever wanted to learn the backend development and the API, this is the series for you. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the first build. Let's grow together.